Are you ready to see a drone that could completely change the game? The DJI Avata 360 has been one of the most mysterious and highly anticipated drones of 2026, and the silence surrounding it has sparked endless speculation online. For months, we saw leaks, certifications, and even pricing details pop up, but no official launch. Now we're finally getting the full picture, and it's bigger than anyone expected. Real-world photos confirm its existence late last year. Promotional images mysteriously appeared online, followed by regulatory certifications confirming that DJI wasn't just experimenting. This drone was production-ready. Then in January, real-world photos of the Avata 360 leaked, showing that this wasn't a concept or a prototype. The drone is real, and it's ready. The delay? Not because of development issues. It's about strategy, timing, and making sure DJI gets it absolutely right before releasing what could be its most ambitious drone yet. DJI Avata 360 is real, not a rumor. First things first, let's clear the air. The DJI Avata 360 is not a rumor. Regulatory approvals are already in place, meaning this drone has passed critical safety and performance tests. Leaked images circulating. Online confirm its advanced stage, and experts say that DJI has been refining it to perfection. So why the wait? The answer is twofold. Competition and software maturity. Competition forces strategic delay. DJI initially wanted to launch the Avata 360 ahead of Insta360's upcoming anti-gravity drone, but Insta360 jumped the gun and released early. That forced DJI to pause and rethink its strategy instead of rushing a product. They didn't just want to beat the competition. They wanted to dominate the category with flawless execution. Software challenges make patience. The second reason is even more critical: the software. This isn't a standard FPV drone. The Avata 360 merges aggressive FPV flying with full 360-degree capture, a combination that presents enormous technical challenges. Stitching 360-degree footage, exporting massive files, optimizing mobile apps, and providing smooth editing workflows all need to be perfect. Releasing it too early could risk serious backlash. DJI knows that a half-baked software experience could tarnish their reputation, so patience is key. Global regulations add complexity. Global regulations add another layer of complexity. Even though the drone has FCC certification, DJI cannot guarantee approval for every market, especially the US. Reports suggest that Asia might see the launch first, while DJI fine-tunes pricing and strategy for global markets. Current leaks from China indicate a possible mid-March release, giving DJI the extra weeks needed to integrate the latest tech from their recent drones. Leaked pricing reveals. Multiple options pricing also seems to have been leaked. The base version, with the drone and one battery, could cost 2,988 yuan, around 450, with global prices likely closer to $500. This entry-level option is designed for autonomous flight with advanced tracking modes, gesture controls, voice commands, Wi-Fi control, and even Apple Watch compatibility. Advanced bundles for serious creators, higher-end bundles are expected to cost more, with the RC2 controller version possibly around $700 worldwide, and premium Fly More or FPV bundles approaching $1,000. These bundles may include goggles, motion controllers, and extra batteries, giving creators full control over both FPV flight and 360-degree content capture. 360-degree capture, the ultimate feature. The main feature, of course, is the 360-degree recording. Dual lenses capture footage both upward and downward, while AI-powered stitching creates a seamless 8K immersive experience. Camera specs are rumored to rival the Osmo 360, with 120 megapixel stills, 8K video, improved transmission range of up to 20 kilometers, and slightly better battery life at around 25 minutes. Not for beginners, designed for pros. One thing is very clear: the DJI Avata 360 is not for beginners. Both FPV flight and 360-degree content creation demand skill, experience, and serious editing know-how. This drone is built for creators who want total creative freedom and are willing to invest the time to master it. A new era of aerial content. If the rumors hold true, the Avata 360 could become DJI's most innovative drone yet, blending immersive visuals with hardcore FPV performance in ways we've never seen. Professionals and enthusiasts could soon have a tool that completely changes how aerial content is captured and experienced. Stay updated on the biggest drone leaks. If you enjoyed this deep dive and want to stay on top of the biggest drone leaks of 2026, make sure to subscribe, share the video, and hit that bell icon. You don't want to miss what DJI has in store next, because the Avata 360 might just redefine the way we think about drones forever.